strikes shown here are a combination kick and punch. Perform a left snap kick, cocking your left hand back. Land down with a left straight punch. Shown at natural speed at the end. From the side view. Notice as the kick goes back, the hand is out, and then vice versa. Try to time the hand and foot together. By the time your foot lands, your punch should be almost hitting. As you kick, be sure to guard with the rear hand. In this case, the right hand is guarding as the left kick is performed. Shown from the opposite point of view. Guard with the right as you kick with the left, land in with a left punch. Kick, punch in combination. Kick low, punch fairly high. From a left fighting stance, simply lunge out with a left punch, follow with a right punch. Fake high with a left jab, follow with a right punch low. You should be shifting to a power stance as you perform this. Left jab, right power punch. Shifting with a lunge step to a left power stance. Notice both hands coming directly down the middle, straight punches. Shown from the side. Step out left foot, punch high with left hand. Follow with right punch low. Again, jab high, punch low. The idea here is to fake your opponent, get him to lift his hands up high, and punch straight out from the shoulder, underneath his arms. The follow-up punch could also be performed at groin level. Again, notice the timing, shift out into your power stance as you hit with that right punch. Next technique is simply a slide step punch. From a right stance, perform a right slide step forward while cocking the right hand and then punching with it. Try to time the punch so that just as you land the back foot, your punch is hitting your opponent. So there's a quick movement, sliding into your opponent with a straight basic punch. Shown from the side view. Step out with the right foot, cock the right hand back, step up with the left as you punch. Again, basic slide step punch, trying to get the rotation of the body in your basic punch, trying to slide forward into range on your opponent. Shown from the opposite point of view, make sure the opposite hand covers as you cock your punch back. Right hand goes back, left hand goes out for a guarding position. Assume a right fighting stance. Step up with the back foot, perform a basic snap kick, and land forward in a fighting stance. This is called a skip-in snap kick. Step up and kick in. Notice as he performs this, he comes straight forward to the opponent. The head stays approximately the same level. Keep your arms in front of you, guarding yourself. Just a skip in with the back foot, basic snap kick with the front foot. Shown from the side view. Again, step up with the rear foot or left foot, snap kick with the right leg, land forward. Skip in, snap kick, and just back up to where you started. I get one smooth motion, sliding in and kicking out. Keep the hands in front of you. Try not to bob the body up and down as you kick, or try not to tense the upper body. Again, shown from the opposite point of view, simply step in and deliver a right snap kick. Notice when the right foot is lifted, it's directly under the knee. Don't cock it back by your opposite leg. And shown at natural speed, just try and relax on these kicks, get a smooth flowing kick. Again, just a natural speed kick, just letting the kick flick out. Assume a left fighting stance. Circle kick. Just pivot into your opponent, hitting with the instep. This kick will be performed on a pad. If you're interested in obtaining these pads and weapons that will be shown shortly, all these items are available from Tiger Claw. Assume a left fighting stance. Lunge out, basic palm strike. Hitting a pad here, focus mitt. We lunge in, hit with the palm, then retreat to your beginning position. Try to get a straight line, hit the pad in one spot when you hit. Don't let your hands spin around or move off the pad after the hit. It's important to focus your power in one position. Assume a left fighting stance. Basic front thrust kick, driving out with the heel. This will be shown on a pad in a moment. Kick pad. Shown in slow motion here. And shown about half to 3/4 speed. Drive in, trying to hit with the heel. Move your opponent back a couple of inches. Try and focus your power on the pad. Left fighting stance. Lowering palm strike. Strike through and down across your opponent. Now with nunchucks. Same motion. Find at Tiger Claw, all basic strikes and weapon strikes are the same. Simply a lowering strike with the palm or striking across with a lowering strike with the nunchuck. Basic punch, shown from a left stance. Basic punch with a tonfa. Grasping the handle, drive your palm into the handle, keep the tonfa tight along the forearm. Thrusting straight up. This is the weapon the police carry. Assume a left fighting stance and deliver a left uppercut. Then with a long staff, simply pivot into a left uppercut again. Right hand is extended, drive the left hand out and up. Basic rising strike or uppercut with the staff. Lowering punch, back fist strike, a combination strike. Now shown with nunchucks. Simply perform one, then perform the other. Lowering punch, back fist, and back to position.